Hi everyone. So in this video you will learn how to check if a password entered by user is strong enough or not. So let's get started. Let's have basic HTML structure here. Link to a style sheet. Script file will be at the bottom, which is script.js. We need one div element here, one input element, type will be text, and placeholder will be enter password. We need one button here. Let's make it check. We also need one h1 element to show the result. Just for the sake of tutorial, I'm keeping it text. Otherwise, you always keep it password. Now just save it. Go to style sheet. Select div element. Display will be flex. Flex direction will be column. Align items will be center. Select input element and the button. Padding will be 5 pixel and 10 pixel. Margin will be 5 pixel. Just save it. Open this file in the browser. And this is the output. Now let's work on the script file. Select the button. Let's make it btn check. Just copy and paste it. And here I'll make it input. Here also. Let's make it result. And here we'll select the h1 element. Now let's add the event listener to the button. Event will be click. And this will be the handler function. Now a password should meet certain conditions before we consider it as a strong password. Let me copy and paste those conditions here. So these are the conditions which a password should meet. Let's go through them. So first condition is the length of the password should be 20 characters max. Minimum it should be 10. It should contain at least 3 lowercase characters, and we are using this regex to figure out the lowercase characters in a password. Same goes in case of uppercase. There should be 3 uppercase letters, and this is a regex which we are using to identify that. Same goes in case of a digit. There should be 2 digits, and this is the regex. There should be 2 special characters, and this is the regex. Now the first step is to get the value inside the input element. So create a variable here, password, and there's a property on the input element dot value which will give us the value. Now first of all, we'll check for the length. So if the length is greater than max length, we'll show a message inside the h1 element. So that message will be password should be less than 20 characters, and will return. Now if the password is less than 20 characters, we need to check if it is strong enough or not. And we'll show a message based on that, strong or weak. We'll create a method, a strong password, and we'll simply pass the password like this. It will return a boolean value, true or false. If it is true, that means the password is strong. Otherwise, it is weak. Let's create that method here. Now first here we'll check for the uppercase letters. So create a variable upper match. There is a method match which will take a regex as a value. So regex will be this upper regex. Just copy it and paste it here. If it will find a match, we'll get an array of values here. Okay. Here I'm making use of null coalescing operator. If it will not find any match, then the value will be null, and I want to assign a default value to it, which will be an empty array. Now let's copy and paste it 3 times. Here it will be lower match. Here it will be num match for the number. and here it will be special match. Now let me copy and paste these things. Here it will be lower regex, here it will be num regex, and here it will be special regex. So the first comparison will be about the minimum length. So password.length should be greater than or equal to min length. Then we'll go and check for the upper match length, because we want it to contain at least 3 characters, which should be in uppercase. Now just copy and paste it. Here it will be lower match, here it will be num match, and here it will be special match. Same goes here, lower min count, num min count, if I'm not wrong, okay, and it will be special min count. Just remove this part. So we are having 5 steps here. First is for the minimum length, which it should be around 10 or greater than that. It should contain at least 3 uppercase letters. It should contain at least 3 lowercase letters. It should contain at least 2 digits, and it should contain at least 2 special characters. Now just save it. Go to browser. Now let's have a password more than 20 characters here. Click on check. So we are getting a message. Password should be less than 20 characters. Now let's make this password less than 20 characters. The first condition is it should contain at least 3 uppercase letters. So let's make it ABC. The second condition is it should contain at least 3 lowercase letters. Let's make it lowercase ABC. The third condition is it should contain at least 2 digits. So we'll leave it as it is. And the last and final condition is it should contain at least 2 special characters. So let's have 2 @ symbols. Click on check. So it is a strong password. Now the moment if I'll remove this, you can see it is weak. And if I'll have more @ symbols and I'll have only 2 lowercase letters, it will be weak. So password should meet all these conditions before we consider it as a strong password. You can change the conditions based on your requirement. You can make it 4 characters, 5 characters, 10 characters, 20 characters. It's your choice. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.